Now, this is one of the coolest off-road capable trailers we've seen in a very long time. The off-road capable trailer market is probably the fastest growing in all of RVs. People want to take their RV and get off of the road and get out of the RV parks. Plus they're too full to even book a spot, and they want to get out away from everybody. And this Lance might be able to do that. But is it worth the price tag? That's the question. Comment below what you think. For a 2024 Lance Enduro here at Parris RV is $72,268 is what they have listed on their website. So $72,000 for this Lance Enduro. So let's walk around, see what you think, and see if you think it's worth the price. I don't know about you guys, but this is a unique design and it looks really cool. I love how they've incorporated in the longer grab handle here to get in and out, but even better, big off-road tires, the nice plexiglass windows. As we come around this, it has all sorts of stuff. You have your propane tanks right here, big off-road tires, off-road suspension, your sliders right here. You're able to stand on those. But storage, a lot of times on trailers this size, you don't get much storage. But right here, huge storage bin. I mean, heck, I can fit in this thing without a problem. Huge storage bin. Now if I can get out. Down here, you have a spot to hook up the pup or the bikes. Awesome struts on this. It takes a little bit of effort to shut it. As with anything Lance does, they do a little bit higher quality than a lot of the other manufacturers do. And I know a lot of people are gonna comment, oh, Lance, piece of junk, whatever. Go get into Lance and then go get into StarCraft and you can see the difference. Even more storage right down here, all the way through. So you can throw in your grill, all your chairs, your table, enough storage that you can throw in everything you're gonna need for that weekend out boondocking. Coming around the front, Lance even built in, and I'm sure this is just a feature you can add if you want, you have bike racks already on the trailer. So nice to be able to throw your mountain bikes right on the front and you're good to go. Up above the bike rack, storage. So if I jump up here, got a whole storage compartment right up here. You can throw your firewood, anything like that. And then just past the storage, full solar panels already installed, ready to go. So you can really stay out there for a while. And pod lights. I don't know if you see those right up there. So that way you can light up everything around you when you're out boondocking. Not many trailers have this capability. If you're gonna be doing off-roading, which this Lance is made to do, you need an off-road capable hitch. And this is the Max coupler hitch. This is very similar to what we have on our Bean, and it is awesome. Toe's so nice and smooth, but it gives you that extra articulation that you don't get in a regular ball style hitch. Coming around the side here, this is where you have all your electronics. So you got your batteries down here, you got your 1500 watt inverter, you got your solar charger, everything just located right here. These are not just regular deep cycle batteries, these are 2 lithium batteries, which if you're going off grid, you need that extra power. The solar panels charge lithium batteries way easier. It's just the way to go. And then right here, we actually have the weights for that. Usually you only worry about weights on big trailers, but if you're buying a trailer like this, you're probably towing with something like a Jeep or, you know, a half-ton truck, maybe a Raptor, something with some suspension. So you need to make sure that you can actually tow this thing. So the gross vehicle weight rating on this is 4,500 pounds. So this is actually probably too big for your 4-door Jeep or your 4-door Bronco, those sort of things. But a Gladiator, half-ton truck, that's right in the wheelhouse for this type of a rig. More storage down below, just to access the other side. Also, the hitch for your truck. And you have your wet bay right down here because you do have facilities in this trailer. As we come down the side, these graphics just look really good. It lets you know what you're towing and what it's supposed to do. If you're going off-road, you need off-road suspension. So it's not just enough to put off-road tires on, which some of the manufacturers are doing and calling it an off-road trailer. They actually have a full Kurt off-road independent suspension system here. So I'll show you.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
So if you look down here, you can see the Kurt suspension system all set up, ready to go. Then you also have your water tank right there. Coming around the backside, you have your big full-size spare. You can swing that out of the way, all the way to a full 180, and this opens up for you. And here's your kitchen. This is nice because the roof up here, if it's raining, you're out of the weather. Or if it's just hot and sunny, you're out of the weather. It's super nice. You do have your rear stabilizer jacks down here with the kitchen. You got metal drawers. These are gonna hold up. They aren't gonna break going down the road, all that sort of stuff. Gives it more of an industrial feel, but I kind of like it. You have a Dometic 2-burner stove right here as well. And access to under your sink and all that sort of stuff. And you have even more storage up on top to throw all those extra things that you need, you know, plates, all that sort of stuff. You have a nice counter space for a trailer this size. That's quite a bit of space. And then you have a nice bowl sink with your hot and cold water. So you do have a water heater on this. And instead of having a fridge, this is a electric cooler. This Truma even has a freezer spot and then your fridge locations. Pretty dang cool. And I've always wondered if these work very well, but this is what we have in our Bean. We have the Dometic, but you know, basically same thing. And it works so well. It works better than our fridge in our big trailer, so. Then right up above, you can take your entertainment with you. You still got a TV.
Of course, they have the really nice handle. Also this one to assist you getting up into your trailer. So you might be wondering, where's the screen door? Let me show you. It's on a really nice sliding mechanism. Still letting you get the air, but not the bugs. All the controls you need are right here on this panel. Really nice, easy access. Really nice storage up above. Nice little gate to hold everything in. And if the weather's bad, you can swing your TV around and watch it from the inside. This unit may be small, but it's not lacking in the bathroom. But you've got dry storage in here for your towels. And I have to reach. Like, I can barely touch the back wall. That's how deep it is. That's really nice because this is not keeping your towel dry. I will note 5'2", pretty cozy in here. But it's got a little bit of space. Maybe you gotta open the door and kick your feet out. Now for your living area. You don't want to hit your head on this great big AC unit above. In your living area, you have some really nice, comfortable kind of booth space in here. Change up the configuration, drop this table down, get some sleeping area for you. Of course, it's got the super nice windows with the struts. Set it where you want it. You have your screen, so if you don't want any bugs, you can have your screen in. And also, for nighttime, you've got your blackout shades. These are big windows with big screens and shades, but they are moving so freely up and down.
Now this is a pretty cool trailer. As you know, if you watch our videos, we're fans of Lance's, and they have some really unique things that make them stand out, and they came through on this one as well. Let us know down below, what do you think? Do you think it's worth the price? $72,000, $73,000 for this small trailer. It's a lot of trailer in a very small package, and if you're looking to go off boondocking and all those sort of things, it might be the trailer for you. And when you get looking into these off-road trailers, the price does go up on them. So this, when you're comparing to other off-road trailers, really pretty dang close. Let us know what you think. We think it's a pretty cool trailer, and as always, enjoy your weekend.